Number 1. REDTIGER front and rear dash cam. This affordable dash cam is equipped with a 170-degree front camera and 155-degree rear camera to minimize blind spots. Offers Wi-Fi connection and smart app control, dual-channel wide-angle field of view, dash cam, and waterproof backup dash camera. With excellent night vision and HDR technology, it can capture important details even in low-light conditions. As soon as the G sensor detects a sudden collision, it locks and saves the collision video. It also has a 24-hour parking monitor available on the dashcam to record continuously for 24 hours with time-lapse function in parking mode. At number 2. ROVE R2 4K Dashcam. Capture action and events in real time while you're on the road using this car dashboard camera. It is specially designed to record high-quality video within a wide 150-degree field of view for more vivid details. The GPS on this 4K Ultra HD dashcam shows your location on Google Maps, while the Wi-Fi allows for the transferring of videos to a mobile device. It also features super night vision technology for low-light or no-light driving conditions to keep you and your passengers safer. This dashcam with Wi-Fi and GPS has a parking monitor, motion detection, loop cycle recording, and G-sensor for added user convenience. Simply use time-lapse video to save memory or loop recording to automatically overwrite old footage. The G-sensor on this time-lapse dash cam detects impact events, while the motion detector setting starts recording in the event of movement while the car is parked. This ROVE R2 4K dash cam is ideal for any vehicle and provides an easy installation for added ease of use. The third one is REDTIGER Touchscreen Dashcam. Upgrade your driving experience with the REDTIGER 4K plus 1080 pixels dual dashcam. Featuring a 3.18-inch touchscreen, 170-degree wide-angle lenses, built-in GPS and Wi-Fi, voice control, and 24-hour parking mode, this compact dashcam provides comprehensive protection for your vehicle. Capture high-quality videos in 4K resolution with clear visibility day and night, thanks to the WDR technology and super night vision. The supercapacitor design ensures reliable performance in any weather, while the 18-month warranty and 24-hour after-sales support offer peace of mind. This versatile dashcam is an excellent choice for drivers seeking a reliable, feature-rich, and compact solution to enhance driving safety. Number 4. Affver 4K Dashcam. Experience your drive in breathtaking 4K Ultra HD resolution with a 160-degree wide-angle view for the Affver front dash cam and a 1080p resolution with a 155-degree wide-angle for the rear camera, providing smooth cinematic video evidence for accident disputes and insurance claims. The integrated GPS logs your driving speed, route, and real-time latitude and longitude, allowing you to track your journey on maps via 5 GHz Wi-Fi, using the app or our Windows and Mac GPS player. Its loop recording minimizes memory maintenance by automatically overwriting the oldest videos when the memory card nears capacity. Gravity sensor acts as an extra witness during incidents. The built-in 3-axis gravity sensor automatically locks and protects videos from deletion in the event of a serious collision, providing additional security for your recordings. Enhanced by wide dynamic range technology, it automatically adjusts exposure in extremely dark settings, delivering clear, high-quality videos both day and night. And number 5. ALDF 4K Dashcam. This car dashcam can seamlessly record up to 2.5K QHD video, ensuring crystal clear visibility of license plates and road signs. Thanks to a 6-glass lens, large aperture, and night vision technology, the J07 car camera performs well with color precision and clarity whether day or night. The 4IR light of the dashcam faces the cabin and accurately captures clear footage of the driver and passengers, even when the cabin is under low light conditions or completely dark, ideal for rideshare drivers such as Uber, Lyft, and taxi. The parking monitor of the car dashcam front and back will be automatically activated to record emergency videos upon detecting collisions, providing evidence in case of theft or accidents while parked. Thanks for watching.